Ken Fane Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. When it comes to installing tile on your floor, the question is, what is the best underlayment to put? Now, a lot of times in the old days, they just went over plywood. There's a reason not to do that. Plywood is still wood, and wood expands and contracts. That's where you're going to get the movement that breaks the bond between the tile and the subfloor and cracks the mortar. Whereas cement board is both firm and dimensionally stable. You're not going to get that movement. Better, safer for your tiles. So remember, the best choice when installing porcelain tile or ceramic tile, not plywood, it's cement board. It's Durock, it's Hardy Backer, it's any product like that that is essentially a very rigid cement board made for tile installation. Ken Fane, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.